What's up guys, and today I've got a bit of a video about cryptocurrency, which is just going to cover Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's coming from the perspective of a legendary investor named as Raoul Pal. You may know him, he's the founder of Real Vision, and he's also like a legendary investor, former one of the heads of Goldman Sachs, and he has his own YouTube channel, and I'll link all of that down below. So basically he's come out with a prediction, so we're going to look at a little bit of a clip of what he had to say and see how accurate it possibly can be. So he normally has a success rate around 80 to 90% of being correct. He puts his money where his mouth is, and we're going to get straight in and see what the clip is. But first, remember, this is not financial advice at all by any means, and don't take anything that is said here by that it is fact or truth. It's your own opinion that really matters, and make sure you do all of your own research when looking into anything like this. Remember to hit all the links down below, the Discord, the Instagram, the TikTok, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. And a bit of a shout out, remember, to our sponsor, which is 35mm Vintage. They currently made these t-shirts for us. And remember to check them out and also be linked down below as well. So right guys, let's get straight into the video.
All right, I want to wrap up with the question we ask everyone. We need a Bitcoin price prediction by end of year, and I need an Ethereum price prediction by end of year. What do you got for us?
I was doing some work on this on the weekend for Global Macro Investor. I'm kind of thinking, I'm kind of a little bit overly bullish right now. And I think the cycle, well, no, because that's not fair, because I was looking at the cycle itself. I think Bitcoin somewhere north of 200 and ETH closer to 15K. But I think we finished the cycle with Bitcoin close to 400 and ETH closer to 40,000.
All right, so you think by end of year, we've got Bitcoin 200K or so, we've got ETH at 15K. You think end of cycle, which in your opinion, it sounds like kind of February, March of next year.
Something like that, yeah.
Bitcoin's 400,000 and ETH is 40,000.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people watching who hope you're right.
I bloody hope so too. You know, it's not like I haven't backed my own bet, so my money's where my mouth is.
I hear you.
So guys, there you have it. From the interview that Raoul Pal did on Anthony Pompliano's channel, I'll have that link down below as well. If you want to watch the full thing all together, you can see that he thinks that Bitcoin is going to be north of 200K by the end of the year. So it's currently floating around 64K. So that's nearly a 3x from here. So there's a lot of people that watch this channel that are going to be extremely happy with this and hope that he is right. So this guy puts his money where his mouth is. He started investing in Bitcoin in 2013. He literally put all of his assets into it. So you can imagine this guy is absolutely loaded. He knows what he's talking about, and like he sees this as an opportunity for the youth today to take risks and to get involved in the market and to become wealthy individuals, like as people were given this chance before us, other generations through different means, through stocks or real estate. That's how people made their money. And he also has Ethereum by the end of the year around 15K, which is pretty crazy. And we know there's a lot of people that watch this channel that are more so into Ethereum than Bitcoin. So this could make a lot of wealthy people by the end of the year. And you know, towards the end of the cycle, you'll be looking at north close and around 400K for Bitcoin and between 35 to 40K for Ethereum. So these are some pretty crazy predictions. Like, so this would make or break an awful lot of people. Like, so people would become extremely wealthy within the space of a year. It'd be absolutely crazy. I know personally myself, my own individual wealth would go up dramatically, and you can imagine that a lot of other people would too. Like, so how many millionaires are we going to have, that even people that are watching this video, by the end of this cycle in crypto, presuming that they don't lose it in the next crypto bear market. So yeah, Raoul Pal, the legendary investor, he is extremely bullish on the crypto market, and look, I really hope he is right. He's going to make us all very happy if his prediction does come true. And like a couple of things that have happened for Bitcoin in recent times, like there is the Bitcoin ETF that has been approved, but it is only based on futures contracts. It's not based on actual Bitcoin itself. You don't actually own Bitcoin. You're predicting something that mirrors the price of Bitcoin. So you're nearly better off actually just buying Bitcoin directly, but it opens up the market for people that were previously scared to buy Bitcoin through like unorthodox means. So basically like baby boomers. So they're now getting involved. They will buy it through a registered ETF. So that's a big catalyst for Bitcoin, that once that's fully approved in the US and that goes fully live, it'll have a ticker symbol and all that, and be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So that's a huge catalyst for Bitcoin. Like this market cap is just around the 2 trillion mark at the moment. It's absolutely crazy. Like even in that interview, Raoul Pal talks about that it's probably going to be north of 10 trillion by the end of this cycle. It's just going to keep building and building and building. And also he discusses a bit about his own personal allocation. He's actually 70% ETH and only 5% Bitcoin, followed by array of different ones. For the rest of the 25% doesn't go into it in too much detail. But yeah, this is an extremely good prediction from a very, very good source. And look, remember guys, if you like this kind of stuff, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and join all of our socials down below. Remember to look at 35mm vintage and check out what they have in their store. They have some great stuff over there. And look, thanks guys for watching this video. Hopefully these predictions do come true and we'll all be very, very rich people by the end of this bull cycle. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.